Oi, it's LilBJessup. Long time no see. I'm back because I just raced a go-kart race. Now you can see my go-kart, it's muddy. The track was muddy, but it was awesome. But in true LilBJessup fashion, my go-kart had some issues. It's performed great leading up to the event, and then once the event happened, not so good. I'll go ahead and show what happened.
Ready to break down?
I hope not.
Let's go.
Let's do it. You up front.
Yeah, I know.
Hopefully I'll see you in a little bit.
First loser. Oh,
And it's not you passing me.
You'll see me. I'll be coming around the rear.
Yeah.
You gotta get away from that thing. Oh gosh, every time. I don't know what the hell happened. I have no clue. My hose fell off! That hose is melted.
So my vacuum line that feeds my fuel pump melted, and this motor got pretty hot. So I'm going to make it richer and upgrade the carburetor in doing so, just to make this thing run a little cooler. I'm also going to upgrade my hoses so they don't get hot and get all flaccid. It's no good. It's a slide style carburetor, which gives more throttle control throughout the ranges instead of just a flap. Another thing it's doing is these intake screws were not even tight. And that thing has sucked up a lot of stuff. But yeah, you know, going from just a little flapper guy to an actual throttle, and we'll be losing all the linkages and stuff, so it'll be a lot easier. This kit comes with a whole slew of different jet sizes, all the way from an 88 to a 125. Wonder what's in here that's stock. Weird, there is no number on the stock size, so we're going to go in between the biggest and smallest. Yeah, it comes with 10 sizes, and stock appears to be right around the size of a 100. I'm going to grab a 110, throw it in, see what that does. So another annoying thing that happened at the race is my throttle cable. There's normally a pin that goes through this clevis right here, and well, it just fell out. Well, I don't know where it went, but it's just gone. And it's actually a good pin, so it's kind of odd to just self-delete itself. Got the new throttle all hooked up, just replacing hoses, and this hose was also ripped at the pump, so it had double vacuum leak. Junk. Alright, throttle cables ran, everything's hooked up. I want to hear this thing run with the new car. So I did some digging. Down on the carburetor is choke is off, up is on. So I richened it up by moving the needle clip down to the lowest setting, and then it worked decent. So much so that it blew the side cover out again. These bolts just, you know, decided to undo themselves and dumped all the oil out. So we got to upgrade to a stud kit. It also appeared that my old dipstick blew out. Where the hell did that go? You can see I started to leak out right here. You can see the track's kind of in a... She needs some help. Spring has sprung. It's still too early for wildflowers to pop up, but we have a bunch of them coming on through. So this place is going to look really good here in a couple of weeks. And when I was riding, this is where I noticed smoke starting to come out of it. So I can imagine it'll be somewhere around here. Yep. This don't screw on very well. It's good. Dang it. So as I sit here looking at this thing, just thinking, we failed. And you know what? It's okay to fail. We're starting from the bottom of the pack this year for the race series. There'll be a new track coming up this year as well, so I'm excited about that. But we got to get these kinks worked out. This thing mounts to the axle, and I can wiggle the motor. And that whole plate right there moves. So I need to replace those axle bearings. Mainly I think it's this one over here. Oh yeah, definitely that one. Or just hard mount it to the frame. That's an option. But anywho, I'm saying I got defeated. We started at the bottom of the pack. This race, and we can only go up. So it'll be alright. This thing shakes like crazy. Everything is loose. Goodness. We gotta throw some money at this thing to make this thing right. So that'll be coming. Hope to see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry I failed.